5 Best Welding and Soldering Supplies. CNIM Hot 2 PCs 2.0 Solder Wick Remover. Type, 100% brand new CP 2015 length, 2.5 foot, 75 centimeters, width, 2.0 mm coated with ultra-high purity water white Rosin Flux. Excellent thermal transfer for faster, safer desoldering using lower temperature irons. New mechanic soldering solder welding paste flux. 100% brand new and high quality unique recipes, perfect performance, easy to weld, solder bright and full, no weld, false welding and so on. Good soldering and welding tool material, plastic plus solder paste color, as picture shown. Size, approximately 1.30 times 1.30 times 1.14 inch. 1 pieces 50 grams tin lead rosin core solder soldering wire 60/40. 100% brand new and high quality material, tin color, as the picture shows. 1 roll cord solder wire. The solder wire have been treated by a special technology with oxide removal and antioxidant bearing, have less oxide solderability, satisfyingly used in wave and iron soldering processes with bright and full soldering points. DEKOPRO Skull Solar Auto Darkening MIG MMA Electric Welding Mask. Protective plate helmet body shade. No adjusting headband. Fixed knob. Automatic filter welding lenses. Delay time control knob. Adjust the time from dark to light when you stop to weld. Adjust higher, then be faster from dark to light. Sensitivity control knob. Adjust the time from dark to light when you stop to weld. Adjust higher, then be. Free shipping. 2 PCs ASM-UV Flux paste. The lead-free solder paste had transparent residue and low solder ball rate, and excellent wetting ability on PCB. Asia General Series no clean lead-free solder paste were developed according to IPC and JIS standards, and completely coinciding with RoHS directives. Our pastes are composed of environment-friendly flux and low-oxidation spherical powder. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.